1968 Camaro Convertible, Chris Stavola's Camaro. Built by Detroit Speed and Engineering out of Mooresville, North Carolina. Finished for a guy from New Jersey who wanted to cruise with his wife and two daughters in something that handles as good as it looks. Chris started this build himself and brought it to Kyle Tucker and the DSE crew to finish. They replaced sheet metal, fitted DSE tubular upper and lower control arms up front, added subframe connectors and mini tubs out back to clear wider rubber. DSE leaf springs in the rear, American Autowire throughout the entire car. Under the hood sits a carbureted LS2, simple, reliable, and more than enough to put you in the seat. The valve covers are engraved with his daughter's names, Hannah on one side, Olivia on the other. That tells you everything about what this car is. It's a family car that just happens to make serious horsepower. A Centerforce clutch connects the LS2 to a manual transmission. The car rolls on polished, multi-spoke wheels with low-profile rubber at all four corners. The paint is a muted, pewter silver that catches light like liquid metal, especially against an ocean backdrop. The trunk has been fully finished with a custom setup, red accents, clean lines, Optima battery mounted in the back. The interior keeps the factory feel with a Camaro steering wheel, restored gauges, and a clean cockpit that doesn't try too hard. DSE painted the car, finished the body, and delivered a convertible that can go from the Jersey Shore to a car show to an autocross and back without skipping a beat. This was Chris's first build with Detroit Speed. His brother Jason would later bring a '69 Camaro to the same shop. Detroit Speed's 1968 Camaro Convertible, built to drive. Subscribe for more builds from the shop.